Hey everyone, my name is Nishant. As Hutch said, I'm one of the co-founders of Flow Labs. We're here to help commercial building owners save water and save money. So I want to start with a just quick overview of the current infrastructure of water metering. You see the meter on the left, they're old, they're from the 1800s, 1900s. You place them in line with pipes, and the whole goal is it enables the utility companies to understand how and where their water is being used so they can bill you. They give you a water bill once a month, maybe once a quarter, and it tells you just a simple number. Don't really know what's going on. You might get a spike in usage, and you got to pay for that. So we're here to address this type of waste by doing three things. We're building products that are scalable, meaning they're super easy to use. They're economical, not just meaning cheap or low cost, but they actually provide an ROI to the end user. And they're intelligent, using analytics, machine learning techniques to understand the data and provide value to the users. The first product we built is called Flow Ultra. It's a non-invasive clamp-on water meter. It just snaps on to the outside of a pipe. Don't need to call a plumber, don't need to cut pipes, and you're quantifying flow rates in real time. The data from this sensor is sent to our web dashboard, where we can do a few things. You can monitor your water usage in real time, see what's going on at the most basic level. You can organize it by property or region if you've got multiple sensors for a large organization, maybe like an insurance company. And then you see that spike on the 25th. We can identify that and send an alert to users, the stakeholders, via an email, SMS, or a web app notification. They can do something about it before it gets bad. And then different configurations, simple for us to do, like home or away modes if you're on vacation, so you can really tune how this device works for you. So we've deployed Flow Ultra with a few water efficiency companies. These are distribution partners like Water Savings, Wise Water. They work with multifamily residential complexes to enable them to use their water better. We sell the device for $250 per sensor and $50 per year per sensor for the services. And I'll take you through a quick case study of how one of the properties uses this device. They quickly were able to understand their water usage and see that they use an egregious amount of water in their irrigation every second day. So using our data, they're making a better decision to reduce the water that they use in irrigation, and we've calculated that the amount of water savings from that decision alone will provide them a 15x ROI, again, quickly within the first couple of weeks of using our device. So we've deployed about half dozen units right now, but we've got a backlog for over 1,000 units, which is over $200,000 in revenue and over $50,000 in annual revenue. And really, it just starts with apartment complexes. There are many different verticals, hotels, universities that can use our devices, and many different stakeholders, as Hutch mentioned, like insurance companies that really care about using devices like this. Quickly here, I'll just mention why we're different. City meters, like I mentioned before, they're old, they're archaic, difficult to use. Spot leak detectors, they can help you catch leaks quickly, but that's really it. There's a new class of smart invasive meters that can provide a lot of the same value that we're providing, but again, you have to cut pipe and install them. It's really difficult for people to use it at a large, scalable level. So we want to sit in the top right here where we can cover a whole building in an easy-to-use way, something that's scalable for all of our users. Quickly on the milestones here, we raised a seed round last year from investors that you see here. We used those funds to build and deploy our first product and establish channel partners, as I mentioned earlier. We've deployed some of these units, and our goal is to now raise a seed round of $2 million to grow and scale the team and also allocate more resources to the other products and features that we want to build. Jimit and I are the two co-founders of Flow Labs, started the company about 2.5 years ago. We're both electrical engineers with our hardware roots from Texas Instruments. We help companies like Nest, Fitbit, and Roku build their products using TI hardware. Gorgon is our director of software. He's been building software products for over 25 years. We've maintained a really lean team and really released our first product. And so I'll just, parting notes, raising a series seed round. I would love to just meet other commercial property stakeholders that would be interested in managing their water better. Thanks.